Hey, what's up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. Today I'll be unboxing my new PC case, the MSI Vampiric O11C. Now this is a limited edition case. It's the, as you can see, it's the AMD Ryzen variation. And yeah, now you go in the box, you've got a RGB fan, you've got a magnetic filter, you've got 4mm tempered glass, and it's optimized for airflow. So let's have a look at the case. So yeah, this is the case. I must admit, it's a lot larger than I expected. Nevertheless, I really like it, especially that AMD Ryzen sign there. Yes, for those of you who don't know, I do use a Ryzen 7 processor. So the orange looks real nice with that. So obviously it does have a glass panel. It's tempered glass. In terms of accessories, it doesn't look like you get any. Nope, I'm incorrect. The accessories is in that bag over there. Let's have a look inside. Let's have a look inside. So I'm going to take the front glass panel. Now this case set me around £50 on eBay. I was looking for a new case, I fancied a change. And this one fit the bill nicely actually. Make sure to keep that safe so it doesn't break. Yeah, so from what I can see, you've got a standard fan here. It's for 4-pin connector. You've got SATA, which I imagine are for the RGBs here in the front. Let's have a look. What I might do is I might open the other side as well. Now, there doesn't look to be a huge amount of features in terms of cable management, but nevertheless. We'll see how it goes, I suppose. So let's have a look at the first side panel. Stay. No. Stay. Right. Yeah, so it looks like, let me just take that off. Yeah, so you got a nice little controller there. And obviously you've got USB 3, standard USB audio, and your pins there. It fits 2 hard drives and 2 SSDs. It comes with a quick start installation guide and accessory manual. And that's just about it. Obviously the hard drives fit on this caddy. And then you put SSDs on there.